I appreciate bags with a mission, be the lightest, most waterproof, most pockets, whatever. And I spent time with the EXP 45 travel backpack that sticks to Pacsafe's mission of anti-theft. So today I'll review what I liked, what I'd change, and why I came for the safety features, but stayed because it's a solid travel pack. This backpack is a 45-liter max carry-on size made for travel, and so that's what I used it for. Pretty standard weight given its size, weighed down for sure by some of the metal safety hardware. And before jumping into the bag itself, I'll just review all the safety features since that's what you're probably interested in anyways. This has lockable zippers, by far my favorite feature. They're like those little metal magician's puzzles. They're durable, they look pretty unique, and are quick to lock and unlock. The zippers also go into this rhubarb lock on the top, and it also worked great, and I liked how it was hidden by this flap. It just wasn't something I used often since I carried on mostly, and I think this is more useful for if I checked in the bag. One of the shoulder straps is lockable here, you just twist to unlock and lock, and I also use this a lot, especially on trains or when I sat down at a restaurant. I like wrapping this around the pole or table base, so just for the few seconds I had to get up and do something, I didn't worry about the bag getting taken. There's an RFID blocking pocket here. It's a cool technology, but I hated where the pocket is placed, so I didn't use it at all for anything valuable. I never recommend putting a passport in an external pocket. A better place would have been a hidden RFID pocket in this back panel, like what most travel backpacks have. And funny enough, this EXP 45 doesn't have a hidden pocket. And there are a few more things I saw on the website but couldn't confirm because they're inside the bag. Basically, it has mesh wire that reinforces the outer fabric and the strap, and there's puncture-proof zippers that I wish were also sealed against water. These anti-theft features are great, but they're really just deterrents. The best solution is just being aware of your surroundings and keeping your stuff in sight. I'll use this analogy. A bear is chasing you and your friend through a forest. How fast do you have to run to be safe? Faster than the bear? No, you just have to be faster than your friend. So these security features aren't designed to resist every theft, but they make sure that your bag isn't the easiest target in the room. Okay, moving to the exterior, I really like the comfort and random handles, and I disliked kinda nothing. If you took away all the security features, I'd probably still use this bag, it's just functionally on point. The main outer material is 750D recycled polyester, and starting with the straps, they're just super comfortable and used a very high quality mesh and padding. They kind of felt like Osprey's packs. I still think Osprey makes the most comfortable straps in the game. They're plenty wide at the top with a chest strap on a sliding rail and a waist strap. And this made the pack really comfy to carry because at 45 liters fully packed, it got kinda heavy when I carried it for a while. And all the straps can be hidden as well if you're into that, but I never really use that feature on my bags because, again, I don't check my backpacks in. The top here has two of my favorite features on the entire bag, the first being this red loop. I used it to hang the backpack on the hooks in the bathroom. Typically the normal top handles are thick and positioned so they don't really hang too well on those hooks. And having my bag fall on the nasty ass bathroom floor once was enough. So I use this loop literally every time I use the pack. And secondly, this security flap that hides the lock also functioned kind of like a roll top flap, where I could put weird shaped things or a jacket waiting to dry, and I just like packs that give flexibility to store stuff on the outside. There's one bottle pocket on the side that fits a 32-ounce hydro flask, and I like this overlapping material design that protects the stretchy mesh. I haven't really seen that before. And on the other side, a few compression straps, which makes the zipper harder to open, and there's a handle. On the front, there's another grab handle, which I loved. Again, never really seen this too much, so I didn't know how much I actually used it. It was great to quickly pick up the bag and go, but also I could string a jacket through it like on the top. And it just gave the pack a signature aesthetic where it otherwise looked a little boring. But it kind of reminds me of Tortuga's packs. Moving to the inside, I liked the organization and I disliked, again, nothing really. It worked for me. There's one front pocket that goes down to the bottom for some light organization and laptop storage, and so this whole panel is padded and has a rigid plastic to protect the laptop. I wasn't initially happy about having the laptop storage here instead of against my back, and I still don't know how I feel, but at least the pockets were lockable, so I didn't have to worry about it getting stolen. But I think most people would still prefer laptop storage against the back. And the main area is my packing dream. It opens up clamshell with compression straps and just one enormous zip pocket on the lid. It's set up exactly like a roller luggage. And 45 liters fit about 5 to 10 days of clothes, and again, it was just a dream to use. Just give me a large area to pack how I like, and I hate travel bags that overcomplicate the pockets on the inside, but that's just personal preference. Okay, so final thoughts, and who is this Pacsafe bag for? The name's a little on the nose, but the pack does deliver on about 6 anti-theft features that aren't on any competitors, and basically all of them were good. But what's even more impressive is how good this bag worked even without any of those security features. The outside has a clean look with some useful handles and very comfortable straps, while the inside is set up just like a wheeled suitcase to maximize space. Other than the RFID pocket location and laptop pocket locations may be turning some people off, the EXP45 had nothing I could complain about. And it's for people looking for a maximum carry-on size with just a little bit of extra security. Anyways, comment below if you want a response, let's talk, and subscribe for more new videos every other Sunday. Thanks.